In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix YouTube lagging or running slow on Android. First, close the YouTube app completely. Now open your phone's Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Apps and Notifications, depending on your device. Next, scroll through the list and find YouTube. If you can't find it, use the search icon at the top right to quickly locate it. Once you open YouTube's app settings, tap on Force Stop, then press OK to confirm. After that, tap on Storage. Here, first press Clear Cache. You can also tap Clear Data. If you're sure, confirm by pressing Delete. This will reset the app settings. Now go back and open YouTube again. Hopefully, the lagging or slow performance issue will now be fixed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel for more easy guides. Thanks for watching.